Welcome to Ping Testing. Today we are going to install Vice 2086, the electronic tension head. This is how it looks. It's an electronic tension head replacing this manual crank. We will see how to do this. We have seen how to install how to set up this machine, unbox this machine and set it up, and now we are going to replace this tension head so that it will become an electric one from the manual. So let's see how to do it. So first things first, we need to remove this manual crank. Probably I will move this a bit so you can see it nicely. To remove this, all you need is a one screw. Because it just can drags down and just can, that's it. You just can remove this, and before you place this screw we have to install a clamp. Basically this is the clamp which comes along with the machine. So basically it holds like, it will be like this. So this one will go all the way in and stand inside like this. So this is how we need to install it. To install the clamp, again we can tie this in the bottom, and it comes with 3 screws in the back to hold the clamps and so suggest remove this completely, and you can see here to show you it has 3 slots, 1, 2 and 3. So we have to tighten this. Okay, now you can see it's holding tight. Now let's get this in. This tight, and finally we will have the screw back in so it does not slide down. That's pretty much it, and you can see how nicely it's connected. So we can take this manual crank off from this. And now this machine has become electric tension head enabled machine. So I will quickly show you how it operates. This is the old tension head. So let's enable the power. The power goes here. Let's put the power after this one. So now it's turned on. Now the machine has become an electric one, and we can start stringing the racket as we get the string tension set up. And we can see how close how we can do it, but we'll see you on the other video. And here is the clamp. Here's the manual crank. So let's put this back here. Thank you for watching. Enjoy stringing, ping to string.